Services Manipur Dr. K. Raju Singh said that there are no confirmed reports of coronavirus in India or Manipur. However, preventive measures have been put in place at Jennings and RIMS hospitals to fight coronavirus in state. He also urged the public to maintain personal hygiene. Dr. Raju said this during the capping and lamp lighting ceremony for the students of School of Auxiliary Nurse Midwife Female Health Workers Imphal under Manipur Medical Directorate today at Nurse Hostel No. 1 Sanakaitel. Free Progress Academy today celebrated its 40th Foundation Day at its premises located at Ponthaujam, Kabuikul. Former Principal DM College of Commerce Dr. C.H. Jamini Devi, retired Joint Director Education S. N. Nimai Singh, Social Scientist Dr. Dhanabil Laishram, Advisor All Manipur Recognized Private Schools Welfare Association N. Tomba Singh, former Urembam Jilla Parishad Member S. Laibak Macha Singh and Principal of Free Progress Academy L. Indra Kumar Singh and others attended the occasion. Tripura State Cabinet has decided to send a proposal to the Archaeological Survey of India for announcing Unokoti as World Heritage Site. Education Minister Ratanlal Nath informed this to media persons after the State Cabinet last evening. He also said that the State Cabinet has approved the proposal. Tripura recorded an income of Rs 3 crore from tourism sector last year. He said the state government has a plan to earn Rs 1,000 crore from the tourism industry in Tripura. Suburban services of the Central Railway in Mumbai were briefly affected this morning due to a protest on tracks at Kunjur Marg station as a part of the Bharat Bandh called by some organizations against the Citizenship Amendment Act and the National Register of Citizens. At least 100 protesters gathered on the tracks at the railway station around 8 a.m. and stopped CSTM-bound slow train according to reports. They raised slogans and waved the national flag. The protesters were later removed by the police and detained. Due to the disruption, the services on the CR line are running late by 10 to 15 minutes according to sources. 2 people were killed and another were critically injured today when an anti-CAA NRC protest in Murshidabad's Jalangi area turned violent. The deceased, identified as Anarul Vishwas, and the injured sustained bullet injuries. The local residents forum was observing a burn in the area when a convoy of cars led by local Trinamool Congress bloc president Tahiruddin Sheikh reached the spot and the alleged fire upon the protesters. Several two-wheelers and cars were ransacked and set on fire. Former Indian football national skipper Baichung Bhutia will participate in the International Veteran Football Championship 2020 that is scheduled to be held in Guwahati from tomorrow. The football competition, which is being organized by the popular Guwahati-based football club United Brothers Club, will conclude on Sunday. The football icon will be playing on behalf of Sikkim in the 6th edition of the Football Championship.